Welcome back, graduates, to another tutorial video going over the Dawn theme. Now today, if you haven't noticed, we have these fancy swatches on the Dawn theme. Now yes, Dawn theme does come with variant options and buttons that tell you what the color is, which we can show you right here. Let me just look up for that shirt. But it's very bland and simple and basic, and it just doesn't really allow the customer to see a nice visual aid here. It just shows you what the color is, where with this option you're able to actually go and show you what the color is, you know, to attract their attention, and click on the button and preview what the product looks like. So anyways, as always, I'm going to get right to it. This is a very quick and easy tutorial on how to add color swatches to your Dawn theme, and this is working on all versions of Dawn, the latest version as well as we tested I think up to version 3. So 3 to 5. So we tested this on the latest version, which is, I believe, is 5.0. So this does work. Now all you got to do is follow along. When you do get this code snippet, you're going to get a nice fancy file here going over exactly how to install this. It's very simple. It's painless. Anyone can do this. So without further ado, let's just get right to it, shall we? So I'm going to close out of this one, and we're going to be working on this theme as it doesn't have it installed. So what you want to do is go into your Shopify admin, and you want to click on the online store right here. Then you want to go and find the theme you want to edit on. This one doesn't have it, and as you can see, it is 5.0. So we're going to click on here, edit code, and then we're going to go and check our first step. So the first step is to add the following files inside of your themes, which is what you'll get with the download. Please refer to the video above. There will be a video here where you can watch a tutorial. So you want to go into, so what we're going to do is we're going to create a section file like this. And we're going to go close out of this. We're going to go to sections, add new section, and paste that. So now what you'll do is you'll have this. You'll have the color code here, which I'll open that up. You're going to want to copy everything that's inside of that file. If you don't have like a text editor, you know, you can use Notepad on Windows. You can also use, I think it's text edit on Mac. I mean, I'm on a Mac, but so we have text edit. I like to use TextMate. It's free. Google it if you're on a Mac. Use TextMate. It's pretty cool. Or if you're a developer, just use VS Code, which is what I use. So anyways, let's copy that. And we're going to paste that into our new file. We're going to get rid of all of this right here. Paste that in, and then hit save. Now, what's the next step? I'm glad you asked. So right here, we're going to go and copy this. So it says open this file, layout theme.liquid, which is right here. We can close out of this one as well. And we're going to look for footer. Look for that footer. There it is. Look at that. Beautiful. And now let's go and just copy this right here. And what I like to do is paste it right under. Let me just fix this format. Driving me nuts. All right, so we did that, and now then here's like a little brief, text description on how to add the files. There is another video teaching you how to actually use this system. Click, somewhere on the screen, you'll see a little button that goes to the video to show you actually how to use this system. This video is just to show you how to install it, so we're gonna have another video that shows you how to use it. And then that's really it. So we're gonna hit save. Now we'll refresh this page. And look at that. So by default, it'll automatically pull in common colors. But if you want to have, custom colors, there's a whole nother video for that. But you can have anything you want. You can have gradients. You can have anything, any kind of color swatch option for this particular code. So anyways, guys, I told you it was going to be painless. I know it's painless. I know. You can thank me. You want to know how you can thank me? Click the subscribe button down below. Also, like this video. Please like this video. And if you can, and you're feeling generous, click that little bell icon so you get notified when we release new tutorial videos like this. All right, guys, thank you so much. Until next time.